Nicholas Taz Barnes is hoping his participation on the global stage will show the world the talent Jamaicans have in the sport of drifting. Barnes is now in Saudi Arabia, where he will contest the Red Bull Car Park Drift World Final on December 8th.
Nicholas Barnes got the opportunity of a lifetime when he won the Jamaica final of the Red Bull Car Park Drift in October, and as such will represent the country in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia at the World Final. It's an opportunity Barnes is hoping will expose more talent from Jamaica.
Well, definitely, I think my breakthrough will definitely open doors for other Jamaicans. There's no doubt about the talent we have here locally. So when it's just to execute, we know we have the talent. I know I have the talent. I know that talent is here. So it's just to reach, when we reach international, to execute and to show them what we have here in Jamaica.
Barnes has become synonymous with the 1986 yellow Toyota Corolla, which he used to win the Jamaica final, much to the delight of his adoring hometown support in Montego Bay. But he'll have to adjust to a new machine in Jeddah.
Well, we're still not fully finalized on which car as yet. We don't know the specs, we don't know the type. We're hearing it's the make is a BMW. So realistically, we are going into the competition with an open mind, and it's a new environment, new car, so we're just entering cautiously, and the aim is always to win. We're just entering cautiously to tread the waters.
And the course will also be a mystery for the 23-year-old.
To be honest, I haven't gotten a document as yet as to what the course layout will be. We know of certain obstacles that will be included, but we don't know how we're going to attack them. I guess when we get there, we'll find out.
Junior Barnes, himself a retired driver, is Nicholas's father. But him wanting his son to do well is multifaceted, as he is president of the Jamaica Race Drivers Club.
We want to be like every other country who has athletes in all different genres. We have Fraser McConnell in rallycross, we have Alex Powell in go-kart, and we have Sarah Mazur, who's over in Europe. Now we have Nicholas Barnes in a different genre. First time ever, this part of the world, we have a representative. It's up for us from here.
21 drifters from 18 countries will battle for the King of the Drift title at the Jeddah Corniche circuit on December 8th. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.